Hi, my name is Kaden Lin, and today I will be talking about the supply of Hollywood films and the global demand for it. First, demand and supply impact on U.S. economy. American television and motion picture industry contributes about $40 billion a year in payments. It also generates about 1.9 million jobs that produces $47 billion in wages. The demand for movies and entertainment is going up, which means the industry will continue to grow. The television industry in New York has supported 95,000 jobs and over $9.8 billion in wages. The television show Breaking Bad generated $70 million for the local economy. The television show Gone Girl boosted Missouri's economy by $7 million. What determines the success of a movie? The popularity of a film's content is very important to the film's success. For example, if the current trend is action movies, then that genre would do better than other movies such as comedy. Another important point that determines the success of a movie is the popularity of the actors or actresses in the movie or show. If the actor and actresses is trending on social media, for example, then the movie would do better. The hype around the movie trailer is also very important to the success. If the trailer is very exciting, then more people will go want to see it. The supply of Hollywood movies. New films come out almost every single week, so that means that there's a lot of demand, there's a lot of supply for it. A lot of young people also want to be actors and actresses. This means that there is a lot of supply for that specific part in the movies. For example, if you go to LA, you'll see thousands of people trying to get the attention of the higher-ups. Young people can also create creative pieces of work on their own. For example, a kid could make YouTube videos to try and catch the eye of a director. In conclusion, let's talk about some fun facts. Gone with the Wind has the highest gross income for a movie at $1,685,052,200. The films in the Marvel Cinematic Universe has collectively grossed over $13 billion worldwide. Thank you.